This is the Cisco 8851 IP phone. The 8851 delivers a user-focused experience. It features intelligent proximity that integrates select features with your personal mobile device. The 8851 also offers support for both USB and Bluetooth applications, as well as wideband audio for high-quality voice communication. The 8851 adds value and return on investment with Cisco EnergyWise. Included with the Cisco 8851 is the phone stand, handset cord, and line cord. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.